Hey guys, it's me, the Airsoft Force here, back with another video. And this time, I'm going to be starting a new series. I think once a week, I will be reading off news, Airsoft news, to you guys. Starting with, I don't know the exact layout of it yet, but I'm going to do some events, new releases if there is any, and any Airsoft gear. And yeah, maybe follow up with a question or shout out or shout outs. Now, I'm gonna start off with me event. I am going on a event. I am going on a, or not really event, but I am going to a trip to Chicago, a missions trip, if you guys know what that is. Missions trip. And so basically I go to Chicago with select people through my church and just bring the church there. Anyway, and so yeah, I'm excited for that. It's at the end of June to start. I think it's a week long. I really like it. But yeah, another thing. Let's move over to Evike really quick. Evike, or Evic, however you guys pronounce it, is having two grand openings. One is in Las Vegas, and one is in Dallas. I know, perimeter of Las Vegas is a little like town like area or suburb. I'll just call it town. But they're kinda, sorry, I have the flu, so I kinda sound a little stuffy. But they are opening it obviously in Las Vegas. I don't know the exact location or exact address of it yet, but it opens April 27th. Anyway, the second grand opening, Evike Outpost in Dallas. I think it's just an outpost, not a field plus a field. It's opening this year, May 18th. Yeah, it's in Dallas. I can't make that because that's too far away, but but yeah, this event is very similar to the Las Vegas damn, I need some tea after this. But this event is exactly like Las Vegas event, just there's no field. Evike Season 2 event. It already started, but hold up, I'm trying to look it up. But you can still join in any of the locations. This it's called the Airsoft Nation Shooting Challenge Season 2. This one's pistols. I don't have a pistol at the moment. I can compete to win $5,000. I could have competed easily last time in the AEG event, Season 1, but I didn't really, I don't know why I didn't, I don't know why I didn't join. I will post the locations right now of the Evike, of where it's heading, where you are able to do it, which is, I think, every store or outpost. So yeah, it's $2 per tries. You get unlimited tries, quote unquote, or as much tries as you are willing to spend. The max FPS you can use on this is 410 FPS. Now, since I don't have a competition, or I do have a couple pistols, it's just I don't have a competition ready pistol. Meaning, the pistols I have don't shoot fast. The pistols I have are more or less for or $5,000, or all the way up to $5,000. Good for a single try. Each month, the top score will win $100 store credit. Top 12 of each month qualify for the local finals meetup to be eligible to win $5,000 cash. It's not store credit, not, or it says cash. Don't know how much harder it gets. Gas blowback pistols. So that so I don't know if that means, that probably just means gas blowback pistols. I'm not trying to overthink. You will be allowed to bring your own gas blowback pistols with rules guidelines. Oh wait, could I rent a gas blowback pistol? Compete at our locations. Wait, I think I could rent a pistol. I'm not gonna compete in this, or I'm gonna have some serious thought into this. But if they do another one where it's AEG, I am definitely pulling up to this and demolishing everyone, because I'm just that guy. And then, last one, all contestants will consent to be filmed by eFike TV and sign the liability waiver. Basically saying eFike will film this event, possibly with you in it, and then post it wherever. Sign liability. Basically, don't sue eFike if you get your eye popped out by a BB, or anyway, that there's obviously more to that, but yeah. Last event. I know today was only the eFike events, but last event is the not the high grounds. It's I can't find it. There is some. I do think there is some trading posts upcoming. Okay. Next dates for the next date. They will have trading posts. If you don't know what that is, you could trade any of your airsoft guns or gear for either, I think you can do it for cash, or other airsoft gear or guns. Anyway, there is the one at the main eFike superstore in Alhambra, next to Disneyland, is June 15th of 2024, 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. Then there's eFike Outpost in Antioch. That will be May 19th of Sunday 11. I may go to that one. I'm gonna set a reminder. When is that? May 19th. Oh, that's on a Sunday. Okay, no, I'll just add a reminder. Anyway, so yeah, next one. Now, I saw this question, and I'm gonna say it. Is e-bike, or no, not e-bike, Airsoft a toxic community? That's the question. Me personally, I think no. I think certain people are toxic, but the whole community itself, average, or as average, meaning attitude of people, like all combined, or is not toxic. Out of my 5 years, there are either noobs or people just like giving you stuff. Anyway, that's wrap up. Sorry for 20 minutes, but yeah. See you guys next video.